taking care of your pet is easier with the right gadgets. In this video, I have listed the best 20 Amazon gadgets for pets in 2025. These products can help with feeding, grooming, safety, and entertainment. Whether you have a dog, cat, or other pet, there is something useful for you. Links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. UU Pet Dog Grass Pad with Tray. Uniquely designed with a tube structure and simulated small tree, this dog grass pad encourages natural instincts, making potty training more effective. The easy-to-clean surface allows for quick rinsing, ensuring hygiene with minimal effort. Featuring non-shedding soft grass, it provides a comfortable texture that is gentle on paws. With high absorbency and permeability, the pad efficiently absorbs liquid while maintaining a dry surface, making it an excellent solution for both indoor and outdoor use. Fun for Tails Dog Agility Training Equipment. Adjustable and versatile, this dog agility training set is suitable for both large and small breeds. Whether for beginners or experts, the included whistle, clicker, treat bag, and rope toy enhance the training experience. Designed for indoor and outdoor use, it transforms any space into an engaging obstacle course. The complete 10-piece set includes jumps, tunnels, weave poles, and more, offering a fun and interactive way to build your pet's confidence and fitness. PetLabro Interactive Cat Toy. Equipped with a jam alert sound, this interactive cat toy notifies you if it gets stuck, ensuring uninterrupted play. Featuring adjustable speed modes, it caters to different feline activity levels. With a built-in sensor, it moves unpredictably, mimicking real prey while avoiding obstacles. The smart electric function operates in cycles, pausing between sessions to prevent overstimulation. A quick charge supports multiple play sessions, keeping indoor cats entertained while stimulating their natural hunting instincts. Home Run Pet Dryer Box. Developed by pet care experts, this innovative pet drying solution offers spa-grade results with a powerful 350-watt motor and patented airflow system. The advanced ventilation technology ensures continuous fresh air circulation for safety and comfort. Designed for thorough drying, it reaches difficult areas like paws and underbellies without the need for manual handling. With ultra-quiet operation and precise temperature control, it provides a stress-free grooming experience while maintaining an ideal drying environment. Neebot Pet Grooming Kit. This all-in-one pet grooming kit features 5 essential tools, including a grooming brush, rake brush, and electric clipper, ensuring a professional grooming experience at home. Its built-in vacuum function collects 99% of loose fur, preventing mess and maintaining cleanliness. Adjustable guard combs offer versatility for different coat lengths, while the low-noise design keeps pets calm. Ideal for reducing shedding and maintaining healthy fur, it transforms home grooming into a hassle-free and enjoyable process. Mio One Self-Cleaning Cat Litter Box. Designed for ultimate convenience, this self-cleaning cat litter box features an integrated safety system with multiple sensors and an anti-pinch design. With app-controlled functionality, it allows remote monitoring and automatic cleaning. Suitable for various clumping litters, it efficiently separates waste and controls odors with an enclosed waste bin and scented gel. Whisper-quiet operation ensures minimal disruption, while real-time health tracking provides valuable insights into your cat's activity and weight changes. Fee Series Smart Dog Collar. Featuring live GPS tracking, this advanced smart dog collar provides real-time location updates with no range limitations. Escape alerts activate immediately if your pet leaves a designated area, ensuring quick response in case of an emergency. The built-in health and activity monitoring system tracks sleep, movement, and behavior. Designed for durability, it withstands up to 400 pounds of tug force and is fully waterproof. With a long-lasting battery, it delivers up to 3 months of usage. Franklin Sport Dog Toy. Providing endless entertainment, this automatic tennis ball launcher engages dogs in continuous fetch sessions. Adjustable distance settings allow customization based on space and pet preferences. A built-in safety alert notifies pets before each launch, enhancing awareness and preventing accidents. Designed for convenience, it includes a power adapter for unlimited playtime, with an optional battery-powered mode for portability. Adjustable feet enable varied launch angles, making it a great addition for interactive indoor and outdoor fun. Go-Go Stick Poo Catcher. Featuring a patented design, this innovative poo catcher ensures a hands-free and sanitary waste collection experience. The lightweight, adjustable telescopic handle allows effortless use without bending or kneeling. By positioning the attached bag directly under the pet, waste is caught instantly, eliminating the need to pick up after walks. Ideal for pet owners with mobility challenges, it enhances convenience while maintaining cleanliness. Includes a set of tie-handle bags for easy disposal and hassle-free outdoor walks. Nubia dog ramps. Built with a sturdy metal frame, this durable dog ramp supports up to 200 pounds, ensuring stability for pets of all sizes. A non-slip paw print surface provides secure footing, preventing slips while climbing. Adjustable height and length settings make it suitable for SUVs, beds, and trucks. Designed for portability, it folds compactly for easy storage and transport. Ideal for senior dogs, short-legged breeds, and pets with mobility issues, it reduces joint strain and enhances accessibility. Freo anti-barking device. Equipped with an advanced light-speed sensor, this device stops unwanted behaviors like barking, biting, chewing, and more in seconds. With a control range of 50 feet, it works indoors and outdoors, making it ideal for both personal pets and neighboring dogs. Emitting ultrasonic frequencies harmless to humans, it offers a safe, humane alternative to shock collars, making training easier and more effective for dogs of all breeds and ages. Toozy Pet Heating Pad. Featuring 6 adjustable temperature settings between 86-131 degrees Fahrenheit, this pad keeps pets warm and comfortable with precise control. It includes a timer function with auto shut-off, ensuring safety by preventing overheating. Designed with a 7-layer protective structure and flame-retardant, waterproof material, it's perfect for all pets. The dual-resistant cord protection and soft, machine-washable cover enhance both safety and convenience, making it a reliable choice for your pet's warmth. Gosta Cat Brush. This grooming brush is ideal for both long and short-haired cats, effectively removing loose fur and mats with its high-quality metal pins. The brush's rounded tips ensure comfort and prevent skin irritation. Featuring an easy-to-clean design, a single press of the button releases hair, making cleanup effortless. The 150-degree bent needles are perfect for deep grooming, ensuring your pet's coat stays healthy and tangle-free, making it a must-have for every cat owner. LE Torsi Pet Dog Slow Feeder Bowl. Made from premium ceramic, this slow feeder bowl helps prevent your dog from eating too quickly while offering a healthy and durable alternative to plastic bowls. It's non-slip, ensuring a stable feeding experience. The smooth surface makes it easy to clean by hand or in the dishwasher, saving time. This heavyweight ceramic bowl is perfect for keeping your dog's mealtime hygienic, and it helps avoid the black jaws that can result from plastic bowls. Guardian's Dog Travel Water Bottle. This travel set includes a dual-chamber container for food and water, making it convenient for walks, hikes, or travel. The 2 collapsible bowls with carabiner clips attach easily to your bag or leash, keeping your pet hydrated and fed on the go. The separate chambers ensure that food and water don't mix, while the durable PP and TPE materials ensure long-lasting use. Its compact design makes it a perfect accessory for pet owners on the move. Azori Dog Bath Brush Scrubber. The Dog Bath Brush Scrubber features soft, odorless silicone and gentle bristles, providing a comfortable grooming experience for your pet. Its non-slip grip ensures ease of use, even when wet, while its built-in shampoo dispenser makes bathing convenient. Cleaning is a breeze with a removable cap for easy access. This brush is perfect for pet lovers, making it an ideal gift for grooming, exfoliating, and relaxing your dog during bath time. PetCube Pet Monitoring Camera. Designed for pet monitoring, this camera offers HD 1080p live streaming, a 110-degree wide-angle view, and clear night vision up to 30 feet. It features 8x digital zoom and 2-way audio, allowing you to interact with your pet from anywhere. The treat dispenser allows you to remotely reward your pet, and real-time motion detection alerts keep you informed. Compatible with Alexa and easy to set up, this camera brings peace of mind to pet owners. Spawn Dog Chew Bones. Made for strong chewers, this dog chew bone helps maintain healthy teeth by removing tartar and plaque. Infused with a savory peanut butter flavor, it keeps dogs engaged for hours. The durable nylon construction ensures long-lasting use, unlike rawhide, and is free from harmful chemicals. Available in multiple sizes, this chew bone is designed for medium-sized dogs, promoting dental health while offering a satisfying chewing experience. H. Hansen Pet Grooming Gloves. These versatile grooming gloves are perfect for dogs, cats, and horses. The rubber nodules on the gloves provide a gentle massage while removing hair and distributing natural oils for a healthy coat. They are designed to work with all fur types, from short to coarse, ensuring effective grooming without irritation. Durable and easy to clean, these gloves keep your hands dry and protected, offering a professional grooming experience with minimal effort. Fishkeeper Aquarium Magnetic Glass Cleaner. The Magnetic Aquarium Glass Cleaner features strong suction to clean both the inside and outside of fish tanks. With dual-sided cleaning surfaces, it effectively removes stubborn algae and stains from the tank's interior, while the outer felt pad wipes off dust and fingerprints. It includes 2 detachable blades, a stainless steel scraper for glass tanks and a plastic scraper for acrylic tanks. The magnet ensures a secure grip, making it an efficient and easy-to-use tool for aquarium maintenance. Your furry friend deserves the best, and these 20 Amazon gadgets are here to make their life, and yours, easier, safer, and more fun. Whether it's smart feeders, interactive toys, or high-tech grooming tools, these picks are designed to keep tails wagging and whiskers twitching with joy. Want to grab any of these for your pet? Check out the links in the description for the latest prices. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, share it with your fellow pet lovers, and hit that subscribe button and bell icon to stay updated with all of our latest content, tips, and reviews.